This video will show you how to use your new Swann ActiveResponse Personal Alarm. To ensure continuous protection, keep Bluetooth on and the Swann Security app running in the background on your phone. Note that location reporting and emergency texts require active data coverage. To manage your personal alarm, select Devices, and then select Your Personal Alarm. You can check the battery capacity here. Tap Contact to edit your contact. You can toggle Disconnection Alert on or off.
When it's enabled, your personal alarm will emit a series of short beeps when it's out of Bluetooth range of your phone.
This feature is useful if you want to ensure that your personal alarm always stays with you when you leave the house. Select Test Mode to perform a test, and then press the Help button once.
Your emergency contact will receive a test text with your location.
To send an emergency text and activate the siren, unlock the button by rotating the ring, and then pull up the Help button. An emergency text will be sent to your desired contact, providing your current location and requesting assistance in calling the police. To deactivate the siren, push the Help button back down. To send the emergency text without activating the siren, press the Help button once, and the text will be sent without activating the siren. Before you go out in unfamiliar areas, it may be wise to leave the personal alarm in the unlocked position to ensure you can quickly and silently trigger the emergency text if you encounter a threat or feel unsafe. To attach the neck cord, thread the loop through the ring, then slip the clasp end of the cord through the loop and pull it tight to create a knot. To use the carabiner, twist it open and slide it through the ring and another object like a belt loop or purse, and then tighten the carabiner. Once you've established your emergency contact, take the time to discuss an emergency plan with them. This ensures that everyone is aware of the appropriate actions to take should your personal alarm be triggered, which may involve your contact notifying the police. To conserve battery by turning off the personal alarm when it's not needed, turn the Help button to the UNLK position. Then press and hold the Help button for 20 seconds until you hear a long beep.
Check the app to see that the alarm has been disconnected.
To turn the personal alarm back on and reconnect it to your phone, turn the Help button to the UNLK position. Then press and hold the Help button for 5 seconds until you hear a double beep.
Check the app to see that the alarm has been reconnected. The personal alarm will emit a series of short beeps whenever it has gone out of Bluetooth range.
The personal alarm will automatically reconnect to your phone once it's back within range. If you accidentally press the Help button, don't worry. Inform your emergency contacts that it was accidental and you don't need assistance. To prevent unintentional button presses, you can keep the personal alarm in the lock position. Only do this when you're in a safe place or feel secure. For more details on usage, see the Swann Security Manual available in the app, or search ActiveResponse or Personal Safety Alarm at support.swann.com. Congratulations! Your Swann ActiveResponse Personal Safety Alarm is now fully set up and ready to use. It's security you can trust from Swann.